Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can schedule out a live stream on Instagram. This is a great feature if you are very busy during the day and you want to go ahead and schedule out your live stream for whatever reason. You can now do so. So I'm going to quickly open up the Instagram app, and to do this now on this specific account I don't have the Reels feature, so I can actually tap at the bottom in the center. But if the Reels icon is in the way, you just want to swipe to the left on your home page, and then that'll take you to the stories camera. Now what you can do is you can see it says post, story, and then live. What you want to do is tap on live, and now you can see here that you have three options: title, and then schedule, and then another one. So tap on there, the second option with the little calendar. I'll tap on that, and this is where I can schedule out my live stream. So you'll just give this a title. So I could type digital unraveled, or just leave it like that, and then put test. So you'll just give your live stream a title, and then you would want to select the start time. Now you can see that this will be in your current time, so whatever time zone you're in, you can schedule the live stream. And then it says here, choose a time between 3 months from today and 1 hour from now. So you have a wide variety of times that you can set it for. So I'll just say Saturday, the 14th of May at 2 p.m. I think that's 2 p.m. Let's see if it's in the 24-hour time zone. So 2 p.m. would be 1400 hours. And then you would just simply select done. And then your live stream will be scheduled. When that time arrives, you'll get a notification. Then you can simply just go live on your Instagram account. So I hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.